Welcome to a video from TheDigitalLife.com. In this quick video we're going to look at how you can customise your start menu in Windows 11. I've got quite a few videos of Windows 11 and things related to Windows 11 apps, so you can check out those on our YouTube channel, and you can find me on Twitter at ISDixon. Right, let's have a look at some of the customization options version for the start menu. So you have customised mine slightly, but let's have a look what we can do. So head over to settings, go to personalization, and this is where you find most of the settings. So let's have a look at the taskbar first. So that's the taskbar down here at the bottom. You notice there's some icons on here like the widgets, the chat icon, the widgets, if you're wondering what that is. That's the sort of information bar that you can get, and you can customize and add news feeds and things like that to them. You can choose to have these options on it. So if you never used the widgets, or if you never use chat, I certainly don't use the chat, so I might as well just turn it off. But you can turn them all off and make things simpler. But I use search quite a lot. I probably don't use the other two, but I'll leave those on for now. So you can customize that. Now down here on the other side, you can show things like the pen menu when you've got a pen in use, with like a Surface pen, which I've got that set to on. So if I use my pen, you see that appears, but I could set that to never show. I could show the touch keyboard if I want. If you've got a touch screen on there, you can have it to always show the touch keyboard, or always show the virtual trackpad. So those are customization which you can have. And then here the overflow ones. So OneDrive I've got set to always appear. If I choose that to, it'll go into the overflow, which is that area here. So I always want that on. And let's say Task Manager, actually I could do with having that on there, so let's put that on there like that. And then another options you've got is the alignment. And Windows 11 it's aligned, center aligned, but you can actually have that left aligned if you prefer it where it was in Windows 10. I prefer centered. Or you can have it to automatically hide the taskbar, so it disappears. It gives you a bit more screen area to play with, but then when you bring your mouse back down the bottom, but when you hit the Windows key, the taskbar comes back up. And you can show badges, so that is showing me I've got 8 notifications on the Your Phone application. I can choose not to show that if I want. If you've got multi monitors, you can tick that to show the taskbar on both displays. If you don't, it only shows this on the primary display, and on the other display you won't get a taskbar. And this is a nice little one. Far corner to show the desktop, which you can just click down like that and it shows the desktop, or toggle it back up again, and you can turn that on and off. So those are the taskbar area that you can customize. Now let's have a look at the start menu. There's a few things you can do here. So when you've got your start menu, you've got your apps and recommended. You can show recently added apps on there, so they're not showing now, or I can show those like that. Don't think I've got any recently added ones, that's why they're not there. You can show the most used apps. You can show the most used apps, and you can show recently opened items. One thing that's quite useful to do is you can customize this area here, so like shortcuts. So if I turn them all off, I'll get a nice clean area here like that, just with the power button. But I want it to I find it pretty handy to have the downloads folder on there, File Explorer, maybe settings. Another area you can do with the task and the start menu is the colors and light and dark mode. So this is in light mode now. I can flick it to dark mode like that, or I can have custom, and I can choose that I want the apps to go into light mode and Windows to be in dark mode. So you've got the choice. I actually prefer, I like dark mode, but on some devices I prefer light mode. So, and this is one in light mode ones. The other things you can do is like the accent colors as well. You can show the accent colour on the start and the taskbar. So it gives you the colour that you picked there. Actually that looks rather nice. And the accent colour I can be automatic, which it would try and get from the background. I think that looks quite nice now. So that's a quick video of some of the ways you can customise your start menu, your taskbar and the colours around it. Thanks so much for this video. You can find out more on thedigital lifestyle.com.